Today we perform the fatigue test on the fatigue testing machine. First of all, we discuss about the fatigue strength. Fatigue, it is the mechanical property of a material. It is the variable capacity of maximum variable capacity of a material under repeated load or reversible load cycles. And that's why this is the apparatus to calculate the fatigue strength of the material. This is the specimen. We want to calculate the fatigue strength. This material is the mild steel, having a dimension length in 200 mm and gauge length is 100 mm. Right? This is the fatigue strength machine. Digital meter, on-off switch. This is a electric motor. A specimen holder chuck. This is a load lever. Now hold the specimen inside the chuck and start the operation. This is a different weight plates. This is a 1 kg plate. This one 1.5 kg plates and this one 2 kg plates. According to the requirement of specimen, we apply the load on the loading lever. First of all, we start from 1 kg. Apply the load on the loading lever. And another one 1.5 kg load more add on the loading lever. Now total load is the 2.5 kg. Start the operation. Initial reading is 00 on the digital meter. Start the operation. Take a reading. Now we are going to the calculation part and theory portion of this experiment. Our objective is to perform the fatigue test on the fatigue testing machine. This is your experimental setup. We discuss on the machine. This is the observation table. There are 4 columns: load, apply on the machine, number of cycles before the fatigue strength, bending moment and bending stress. How we calculate? We are going to the load table. We apply a different load starting from the marker. Different loads, suppose that 2.5 kg, 3.5 kg, starting from initial load 1.5 kg, another one 2.5 kg and 3.5 kg. Number of cycle, we note that on the machine. If 10 to power 7 cycle, 10 to power 9 cycle, 10 to power 11 cycle. Calculate the bending moment. Put the value m equals to W L by 4. W is the load given on the table. Length L is the length of the specimen. Already we discussed about the 200 mm. Put the value, load and length and calculate the bending moment. Different value of, and finally calculate the bending stress. Formula is the sigma equals to m by z. M already calculated by us. M is the bending moment and z is the section modulus. Section modulus in case of the circular bar is z equal to pi dq upon 32. D is the diameter of circular bar. Take is 10 mm. Calculate the section modulus, put the value m by z and calculate the bending stress. Take a average value of 3 values and finally draw the graph. Stress value, so all this one. Plot the graph between the stress and number of cycle. This type of slope are here. According to the reading. Thank you.